Guys, feel the peaceful feeling as you enter this property on Randolph Road, just off of Cherry Creek in Putnam County. It's a mini farm, 16 acres, fenced in. If you want to have a couple cows, some horses, you got your own pond. It's ready for your livestock. The yard's just been mowed nice and fresh. Guys, you're gonna love this detached workshop. For your man cave, you can put your four-wheelers, your boat, hunting gear, do all your work in your own space. This property to me is like the total package deal. You got the acreage, the peaceful feeling, but yet you're still in Putnam County. I think you could just come home and not leave. This would be a great place to quarantine, actually. So the house is hardboard, and it's got plantation shutters throughout, which is a great feature. Stone sidewalk taking us up to the house. It's 5,000 plus square feet, 2 masters, 2 kitchens, 2 family rooms, hardwood floors throughout. Space for all the kids. I'm going to take you around and show you the in-ground swimming pool. It's not open right now, but we can take a peek. Sit on the front porch and rock and swing and look at all your property. So, we have an in-ground pool with a really neat electronic cover for safety features that the kids, the mom would love. Hearing breaks. And this is one of my favorite features of this property. This huge deck for entertaining, fire pit, tons of pretty flowers, and it's got a screened-in porch, guys, that goes all the length of the house. You could entertain so many people here on the screened-in porch. Take a peek inside of that. So all of this has a new price of $750,000. $750. Check out all the pictures online on our website.